I'm Jouko Ahvenainen. I'm co-founder of Grow VC, and it's my pleasure to speak to you today. Unfortunately, I cannot be in the event personally because my busy traveling timetable didn't make it possible. But I have talked with Vadim that we have actually a lot of opportunities to cooperate in the future, and it's really a great pleasure to talk to you today also. Grow VC is the leading global crowdfunding service. So basically, we are opening a kind of new market and new model to make investments globally in startup companies. And our vision is really to create a new kind of global community where it is not only possible to make funding, but many other things that are relevant for startups, entrepreneurs and investors. And we cannot make it alone, but we want to work together with all parties who have the same vision and same mission to make this happen. And that's why I think that we, together with all of you, have a lot of common tasks to do in the future. I want to say a few words about Grow VC and our background. The traditional VC model is actually quite old model. We can say that it has existed 30, 40, maybe even 50 years. And it is very much the same model as it used to be. At the same time, when venture capitalists expect that entrepreneurs all the time create new business models, new innovations, it hasn't been so much the case in the venture capital industry itself. But now we think that it's time to change this situation. Another fact is that the venture capital model doesn't work so well at the moment. Venture capital companies cannot make early phase investments because their model is not scalable for a large number of early phase investments. And the return on investments of many venture capital funds have been very low or negative. There are some good venture capital companies, of course, and they are doing well. But at the same time, new solutions are needed to get more startups, to get more work, to get more growth for the economies. That's why we want to innovate new models for startup funding. Our vision is virtual Silicon Valley. That is how we call it. I know that you have same kind of visions, maybe with different names, but it doesn't matter what is the name. I think that the main point is that Silicon Valley used to be the best ecosystem in the world for startup companies. They have all relevant parties like entrepreneurs, startups, investors, customers, partners, exit market. But all of those people are in one geographical location. And we know that there are a lot of talented people, a lot of money and investors and great innovations around the world. And today, as we have seen with Facebook, LinkedIn and many other services, it is possible to create global communities. And it's very much our vision about virtual Silicon Valley. Let's get all relevant parties globally to work together to get a better ecosystem for startup companies. Our values are very much to be open, transparent, effective and global. With effective market, we mean a market where all parties have enough information, enough deal flow, and low enough transaction cost so that it makes sense to make also early phase investments. And we want to make the whole community more global, also in that way that many startup companies have customers around the world. Why the investors should be only local, as it used to be very much. And openness and transparency are also very important. This is what people expect from all finance services now and in the future. Openness also means that different parties can work together. They can have APIs between platforms, but also that kind of business models that the companies can really work together and support each other. So, what we offer is basically a web service, but it's very specific web service to manage deal flow of startup funding, so that it looks very much like a combination of social network and marketplace, where basically startups can be with their own profile, entrepreneurs can be with their own profile, and investors can be with their own profile. And the purpose to be there is very specific, to get funding and to make investments into startup companies. And we offer tools to make it easier. That also helps to get the transparency and the transaction cost low. We also develop different kind of co-investment models, so that basically business angel networks, investment companies, venture capital companies can also make investments together with our member base. And our microfunding model is a kind of core of our system. People can start to invest into startups with $20 a month. So it's also a kind of micro-investment model. At the same time, people can also make larger investments directly into startup companies. And they can also invest their own work into startups. And the value of the micro-investments, as we see, is not only to get money, but also to get all our members, a lot of people, to evaluate startup companies with their own money, and in that way to get a really large community to find new innovations that can be successful. So, our dream is very much to create more opportunities for entrepreneurs, startups and investors. Basically it means that it is easier for each new entrepreneur to get access to funding market. Of course we don't promise that all companies get funding, and it is not the idea. There are some good companies and there are some companies that just cannot get funding because they are not yet ready for it, or the plan is not unique enough. And that's normal in any market. We also want to open this investment opportunity for more ordinary people to make early phase investments. And we don't say that you should put all money into a startup company, because it is a risky investment. But maybe a small part, and you can start with micro investments. That is what you can use for startup companies. And at the same time you can learn about startup investments. You can learn also what these companies are doing, so that it is not only about money, but also opportunity to learn many new things. And when we compare it to to many other investment opportunities nowadays, stock market and so on, I think startups are also a relevant part of the investment portfolio now and in the future. And it's also very important for the economy of many countries to get the startup funding to work better. So, if I summarize, we want to offer better access for entrepreneurs to funding market and more tools to find different kind of investors and basically raise funding with low cost. And at the same time, we want to open also more opportunities for those people who are ready to invest in startups, to find enough information, to find enough deal flow and keep the transaction cost low if they invest into a startup. We are still in early phase as many global communities are, and I believe that there will be much more in the future. CrowVC started its global funding community early this year, and it is growing really rapidly. We get a lot of new members each week. We have more money all the time in the system, so that it starts to be a significant alternative to get funding and make investments. At the same time, we are now also in process to start local networks, so that our idea is that global service can offer a solution for those people who want to operate globally. But there are still many people who want to make investments or raise funding locally. And our local networks can also more integrate into local ecosystems, like work with incubators, business angel networks, law firms, and venture capital companies. Basically different kind of relevant parties locally. And really create locally a kind of virtual community. And then we can link these local communities to work together to really get a global community. And our focus is funding. We work together with many other companies who offer other services to make this kind of virtual community to work. We have started our first local network in India in July. The next one was in China in October, and now we are working with several other markets, including the US market, some European markets, also Latin America, Asia, and also Russia is definitely a relevant market for us. So, I hope that you have excellent conference, you have excellent discussions, and it is one starting point to create this new global community for startups, entrepreneurs, and investors. I hope that we can work together with all of you in the future. And you can always send me email. My email address is jouko@crowvc.com, or you can follow me in Twitter or LinkedIn and send messages to me. I hope that we can be in touch in the future. And I hope that you have excellent conference. Have a nice day.